Hello everybody and welcome back to Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial series, and in this video you're going to be learning how you can export a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's just jump right into it. So currently, as you can see, we are on our main interface of our software, and in here we have these windows just opened up. Now let's just say you have been working on a project and you made just a couple of edits, maybe some transitions, and now you are good to export your project. What you can do is there are two basic ways to do so. First, you can head over to Files, and from there you will be able to see that you have this export option under Import Recent Files option. You can click on Export and from there to Media, and now you will be able to see that we have these export settings options now opened up. Now here will be a few settings that you need to adjust before exporting, but let me just tell you another way how you can export. So let's just say you have multiple videos on your timeline. Let's just say I have 2 videos, but what I only want is that I want to export this particular video. What you can do is head over to the end point of this video, and you can do that by simply pressing the down arrow key on your keyboard. And once you do that, you will be able to see that now our playhead is at the end of our video that is intended to be exported. Now click O on your keyboard. Only this particular video is selected to export. Now you can press Ctrl M on your keyboard, which is a shortcut for export settings. We are on our export settings windows again. Here you need to make sure from the format it is set up to H.264, which is a standard export format. And after that you can adjust your preset. I use match source high bitrate, but you can try out many other options as well. After that you can choose between either you want to export the video or not, or you want to emit the audio as well. So these are the checkboxes for that. Below we have our summary, that what is going to be exported. And now in the video tab, if you scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see some settings which you do not need to adjust. You can just leave them how they are by default, but what you can adjust is the target bitrate. So in case your file size is higher, you can just decrease the bitrate. Let's just say if I decrease it to 7.6 or something, you can see the file size is decreased from 10 MB to 7 MBs. And now once your settings are done, you can see you have this output name as well. When you click on that, you can just browse through your local storage and set where you want to export your video. Once your destination is set, you can click on Save and click on Export, and you will be able to see that our video is being exported. It is saying that your video was exported successfully. So that's pretty much it on how to export in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.